Hey, this is just a MDF ornament that I ordered from Pressing Images. I thought I'd jump on here and show you guys how I pressed it. And here I am, just removing the protective film. Now guys, you're gonna have a protective film on both sides. This is a double-sided MDF ornament that I am changing into a keychain. You'll see soon. I'll be pressing a teacher appreciation design that I made personally for my daughter's kindergarten teacher. Here I am. I'm using 99% alcohol, I believe. I'm just added it to the paper towel. I'm cleaning the ornament now, because removing all excess oils, anything that might prevent the image from transferring over. Now, if you're like me, you have cats. So, here I am, going in with my lint roller, making sure there's no bugs or anything. Now I'm going to tape this design. This design will be available in my Etsy shop, and I believe it's also in my design bundle shop. Links in bio if you want to check that out. I am using my Cricut heat press. Love this thing. So I have it set at 400 for 55 seconds. Here I am just adding a little pressure, making sure that I've got all the sides pressed down evenly. Just a little bit longer here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Wouldn't it be awesome if they actually did that? Now, be careful. It is really hot, guys. Really hot. And you shouldn't follow like me and stick your parchment there, but let's just ignore that little dumb blonde moment. Just in case for fire safety, right? Smokey the Bear always says. Now here I am. I'm removing the tape. And I'll hopefully show you the design here in a minute. I'm trying not to burn my fingers. Here it is, the moment of truth. Ooh, wow. Wow. Not detail. I'll show you in a picture following, but it's got my daughter's name, the school, and graduating class. It's got the teacher's name and the eraser there. This is just an idea. And there you